Let's say we want to import the information of a table we found online in the easiest way possible, instead of having to copy it one by one or messing up the format by a lot. What we do is first we go copy the URL of the page. Then we go to Excel. In the Data tab, here we can find from web. If you can't see this shortcut, you can go to Get Data, from other sources, and then from web. We press on it. This window will pop up where we will paste the URL we copied. Then press OK. Now it will go through that link and look for all the tables that are available to import. We look for the one we wanted, which is this one. Here it's called Table 2. We highlight on it or press on it, and then we press Load. As you can see, it imported all of the data, and now we just need to make some minor adjustments to make it usable.